Which vegetables need cold protection? First is garlic. It's a relatively cold-tolerant vegetable. It can withstand temperatures as low as 10 grados, etc. No protection is needed in regions that aren't extremely cold. I interplanted coriander with the garlic. Most of it has been harvested. Coriander is also fairly cold-tolerant. Small leaf varieties can handle about -3 degrees Celsius. Lower than that, frost damage may occur. I don't plan to protect it here. I'll harvest the rest before it freezes. This is spinach. Spinach is very cold-resistant. It can tolerate temperatures around 10 grados by Hoseta. In most areas, it doesn't need protection. It can safely overwinter. If the plants are already large and not densely planted, they may flatten against the ground in cold weather. This is what's called ground-hugging spinach. It's not a variety issue. This is celery. Generally, celery can tolerate about -7 degrees Celsius. Mine is celeriac. It forms large bulbous roots, about the size of a fist. It's said to be even more cold-hardy, but it grows very slowly. Still, it doesn't need protection. This is Celta stem lettuce. It's a bit less cold-tolerant. Usually can only handle temperatures down to -2 degrees Celsius. Below that, its growth will be affected. Leaves may get frost damage, leading to yellowing and wilting. So Celtis needs protection. These are leafy greens bok choy type. This is a cold-tolerant Suzhou green variety. It can withstand around -7 degrees Celsius. After exposure to cold, its taste becomes sweeter and better. But when temperatures drop further, some protection is needed. Otherwise, it can still be damaged by frost. This is lettuce. Although lettuce grows better in cool weather, it's not very frost-resistant. It can only tolerate around 0 degrees Celsius. Prolonged exposure below freezing can cause leaf spotting and rot. If you want to enjoy lettuce in winter, you need to protect it. This is Napa cabbage, and this one is baby Napa cabbage. They both need protection. This is yellow heart wuta cabbage. It's a very cold-tolerant variety. It can tolerate short periods of -8 to -10 degrees Celsius. Its taste improves after being exposed to frost. In most areas, it can safely This is crown daisy. Crown daisy is actually fairly cold-hardy. It can handle around -3 to -5 degrees Celsius, but it's not resistant to frost. So before the frost comes, make sure to protect it. Build a small hoop house over it, and you can continue harvesting. These are all red, kaitai, purple flowering cabbage. Red kai has some cold resistance. It tastes better when grown in cooler temperatures. But if it's exposed to long periods below -5 degrees Celsius, the growing point may be damaged. To ensure it overwinters safely, it's best to provide protection. And over here are the peas. Peas and broad beans are semi-cold tolerant vegetables. They can handle around -4 to -5 degrees Celsius. During the seedling stage, they tolerate cold fairly well, so protection isn't necessary. But once they're grown or flowering and setting pods, it's better to protect them. Vegetables like kale, lettuce stem, and snow red mustard are very cold tolerant. No special protection is needed. Have you learned them all?